Instagram bio, el compa has been training his whole life for the guacamole games, bro, the Paisa Olympics. Y el vato se saca la daga, güey. He is the 3 Fs. Flawless, fantastic, and fabuloso. And I'm not talking about the cleaning supply. Look how graceful this dude is, bro. He's trying to make it into America. This is harder than the citizenship test, bro. But he's crushing it, bro. Se saca la daga el compa, those tires in the back. That's where he puts his balls, bro. You know, I whistle now. He's sliding that slide like he slides into your tortillas DMs. This is vatos mi héroe, güey. This is the greatest athletic achievement I've seen in my life. Look at